Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we will be building PC Building Simulator. We will be playing PC Building Simulator 2. So today we will be building a custom St. Patrick's Day PC. St. Patrick's Day is coming up in the recording of this video on. So today is currently March 1st. On the day of recording this video. It's probably gonna be released on March March something, dude. I don't know. It's a Saturday. So we will be building a St. Patrick's Day PC for March 18th, which is St. Patrick's Day. So St. Patrick's Day is the Irish. I'm pretty sure it's Irish holiday. So all I know about it is that there's a lot of green stuff. So let's build a all green PC. So first let's go with the motherboard first. I feel like this could be the easiest one to make. So we will be going for a RGB one, since we cannot have a just like a green motherboard and we can't paint it, which would be a nice feature if they would add it. So I'm thinking we go lavish today and we just go all out with the Gigabyte X670E Aorus Extreme. Now this is a AM5 platform, so we have some good upgrade ability. So we're just gonna go straight up with the Ryzen 9 7950X. So for the CPU cooler, I was originally gonna just choose like choose a green one, like this one, which shows green on the on the buying page. But I'm thinking that we just get like a better cooler and we just change the color to green. So I'm thinking we use the this no. I'm thinking we use like a Silverstone PF360. I feel like the black would be nice matching the white. I mean the green being good with the black. RAM I don't think they have custom green sticks, which again it would be a nice feature if we could color the sticks. But since we don't have it yet, we're just gonna move on. So for the GPU, I don't really know about like what kind of GPU we want in here. So let's first go with lighting. Let's see if we could find the green. There is a dedicated section for green GPUs, but it's really minor green, but a bit of green is still something. So let's get a 2080 Ti Founders Edition, and let me see if we could mix and match GPUs. I think that's something nice we could test out as well. SSD, you wouldn't really see it, so it doesn't matter. So power supply, let's get the RGB version of it. So we got these two options. We're gonna use a Thermaltake Tough Power iRGB Plus. So for the case we could just paint it. So I'm thinking we get like a RGB case, since actually no, we could get a green case, but it's just the logo, so I don't think it's really nice. So I want a RGB case, and I'm gonna put let's put the Lian the PC011 Dynamic. I like the green side outlines, and here's pretty sure this is the case. And yep, this is the case. We got like a green USB port. So this is pretty much normal. We just built the PC. So first step, we installed a motherboard, the Gigabyte X670 Aorus Extreme. Now we install the RAM. Let's just put two sticks so the CPU runs, so it runs more stable. Right here. So 64 gigs. So this is the same amount of RAM I have in my PC, which is a nice add-on. The only difference is in this PC, the RAM is 200 mega transfers faster. So we got all the SSD sticks in there. Let's see if we could mix and match GPUs. Let me just completely tear this apart. So we got 2080 Ti and oh, so the motherboard doesn't support it doesn't support SLI, which I should have checked first, to be fair. But I guess we're just gonna run one we're just gonna be running one 2080 Ti, which is still fine, as I don't think we're gonna be doing a benchmark today. We are just gonna be going for all aesthetics. So yeah. So we're done in here. We're just gonna put the panels back on here, and we're now just gonna install the power supply, which I bought two of, but I'm pretty sure we see the RGB on this side. So I'm gonna leave the case open. Now I'm thinking we put a case fan that's basically all RGB. Like, I'm thinking we put the InWin Linux LN120, and we put the white version. So we should only need 10. I think that's reasonable, and they are really expensive. Now, it's not too much of an issue for me since I got the money for it, but it's not really a nice it's not this isn't the PC you want for like a budget build, or like a FPS per dollar type of build. This is like a just aesthetics. So we got intake exhaust. Let me make let me just flip one of them. Alright, so now we have our entire actually, hold up. Let me make sure we install a fan on this side as well. I want to see what the completed fan build looks like. Let me just... Oh, never mind. We can't put it on there. That's a bit of an issue. But anyways, now I'm looking at the PC. The white really just like stands out, and like it's fine. But I think if I I removed the cooler by accident, but if I were to build this for myself, I'd probably want to get black fans, or like paint the case white. But in this case, I don't think it matters too much. So let's just put the panels back on. Keep the the side panel back here open. So we got the completed build, the Razer logo on the front, the green outline on the sides, and we got a bit of light on it. We got light on this like glass panel. And let's see. So these are the components that's... Oh, the GPU is also green already, which is sick. So let's do the lighting check. Alright, we select all of it and we change it to green. And this is looking really interesting, especially with the white fans in here. Like, it makes the fans stand out a lot, especially with the cooler being black as well. And the green is looking... Ooh, the rear the side is looking really good, in my opinion. So you can like see, like, this fan is spinning. these fans are also spinning in the back. It looks great. The front, it also looks pretty good, in my opinion. Let's check the airflow. Oh. Alright, we need to replace the side panel. Let's check the airflow, and then I want to paint the PC so then we can make it look even better. Alright. Alright, so seems like we have a issue. All negative airflow. We have this one fan intaking, and all these are just exhaust fans, which shouldn't be too much of an issue. We're not stress testing this, and yeah. So let's paint this now. First, I want to see if there's any. Oh yeah, we could put this club to on like all four corners. So okay, it's really big. We could put this here, just from complete opposite sides. And let's just do it for this entire build, or like all the sides we can put on. And we put this here and here and here. And there we go. We put, oh yeah, I forgot about this side. Let me make sure it's all on the glass for now. So if I was really artistic, I would draw one of these clubs, but I'm not really too artistic. So I'm still gonna try though. I'm gonna try for the video. So we got like a little circle here. We got another circle here. We got another circle, and then it kind of just extends out like this. And this just looks really weird. It looks like a Squidward that's has been elongated. I'll just put a little face. And I know they also really like potatoes where they were. So I think I'm gonna put some brown. Where's the brown? Actually, no. I'm just gonna draw a bunch of clubs around this. Or at least make an attempt to draw some. Okay. There you go. I think that's like a little better. Yeah, yes. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna remove, what's it called? I'm gonna remove this front little creature. I don't really like the way he looks, so. Let me just. Okay, hold on. Just gotta make sure I don't touch, that side. Where the good clothes are. So let me just. Actually, I'm just gonna remove all that in general, and then I think I'll just like have this side painted. Alright, so I could. There we go. So you have this entire panel side paint. Why did? Alright, we're gonna have this entire side panel painted. And then this side is just gonna be fans so we can see it. So I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. This is my little attempt at a St. Patrick's Day PC build. You can still kind of see the fans. It's just this green's really bright. But yeah. So this is gonna be the video today. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for the next video. I'm open to taking any suggestions, but I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.